Hey there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday. And this is a little bit different, so as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be unboxing, well, doing a bit of a haul, but I just ordered a lot of stuff from the Revolution website because they're doing lots and lots of sales recently, so yeah, it's a fairly big box. I am super excited really to actually dig straight into this, so I'm actually just gonna like twist you around a little bit and we're gonna just like try and, you're not gonna see much of this, but I'm gonna just, you know, do my best and cut into this. Side done. That's the other side. Oh, hello. Welcome back, Joshua. You are the Revolution. Thank you for shopping with us. This is cute because this is like the first time I've ever actually like ordered with Revolution directly. So they like proper give you what you've got in there. In a nice little booklet. It's so cute. It's personalised as well, which is lovely. Oh Jesus crap. Yeah, I did order quite a lot of crap. So let's just start off. There's so many of these baggies. Love those. Oh my goodness. This is like Christmas all over. So I'm going to start with something a little bit small. So here we have a lovely lipstick in the colour Chauffeur. Now I wanted to pick this out because look at how cute it is. It's adorable. And the colour looks really cool. So I'm going to show you guys quickly. So it's like a mauvey deep colour. I wanted to see what this would be like on. It smells quite nice as well. I've never tried Revolution lipstick, so I thought give it a go. It is a nude colour because I love my nudes. So that's our first item. The next is just a simple Supreme dip liner. I just wanted to try a different bit of a kind of more liquid liner this time, because the liner that I used to use is like a pen, the NYX marker pen one, and it's good, but it's not always very strong, and I feel like the colour sometimes fades really easily when you're like midway through applying, and I'm like, I kind of want it to be strong, so I'm risking it and going with liquid. Never in my life have I tried this, any kind of liquid that is, so that could have been a mistake. So next here we have a matte naked lip kit in the colour Striptease. So this consists of a lip liner, a liquid lip, and a liquid lip I should say. So yeah, you can see, you may be able to see there the kind of colour, but I know that the lighting is off, so I'll give you that. So yeah, it comes with this, the lip liner, and the actual liquid lip. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this. I want to see what it smells like. There's not a huge smell to it, but I like the fact that not a lot of product comes out, because sometimes I find like when I'm using liquid lips, a lot of product gets coated on this and I'm like, ah. So it seems like a fairly good one, but we'll try that out another time. And along the theme of lips, again, we actually got the Renaissance lip liner in the colour Chauffeur. Now this is to go with the lipstick that I was showing you in the beginning. So this is the matching lip liner. So again, just wanted to give this colour a little bit of a try. It looks deeper than I normally go with. So I thought, you know what? It was cheap and I was like, why not? It looked cute. So again, more lip stuff. I know, I'm terrible. We actually got a Revolution Pro lipstick collection, and this is in the colours Bear. So we have 5 colours actually, sorry. We have Untouched, Sooner or Later, Whispers, Naked Beauty and Mannequin, which sound super cool, so we'll take a little look into those a bit later on perhaps. Another thing that I went for is the Pro Contour Stick. So I've had a lot of different contour products in the past, thought I'd give this one a go, just because I've not tried it before and it looks fairly decent. And I believe this is the colour Fair, and it even gives you a guide on the back on how to apply it, which is quite nifty. I kind of like that. And they even go over the eyes. Curious. So something else that I went with that I've been absolutely dying to get myself is the Revolution Bake and Finish Powder. So this is like a finishing powder. People are doing some weird stuff out my door. So yeah, this is their finishing powder. So I really needed like a new proper powder. So I thought I'd give this one a go, because the powder that I used to use was absolutely shocking. Like it just didn't really work as well as I wanted it to, I guess. So I thought, I've heard people talking really well about the Revolution one. So I thought, you know what? I'm gonna give it a go, because what's the harm? The next is actually something pretty cool. I've seen a lot of people use this, but that is the Pro Makeup Eraser Towel. So this is a little towelette thing that you essentially just soak in warm water, squeeze out the excess, and you can just remove your makeup like that. No hassle, and you can rinse this and wash it, yeah, when it's needed. So you kind of just, it's like, it sounds really easy, so I wanted to give it a go, because there's nothing worse than, you know, trying to go through all these different makeup wipes or cleansing, all of this crap, you know. It can be effort, you know. So this, I just wanted to give it a try to see how easy it was and all of that good stuff. So one more thing, actually not one more thing, but another thing in the contour region is the Revolution, this like contour kit, I guess. Yeah, cream highlight and contour kit in the colours Fair. So it comes with like 2 dual-ended sticks. So one is a double-ended contour stick and the other one is a double-ended highlighter stick. And it also has a brush in the middle, which has a sponge end and a brush end, which is pretty cool. Looks really interesting, so I wanted to, again, just to give it a go. It's something fun, and you can never have too much makeup, girl. Okay, so moving on to the slightly bigger items now. So here we actually have the Ultimate Marble Collection. So I don't actually remember ordering this, but I must have done. Where's my booklet gone? Where have I put that? I don't actually think I ordered that. I cannot for the life of me find it on here, but I'm gonna have to double check everything. But anyway, we have this. This is the Ultimate Marble Obsession Brush Kit. So we have all of these different funky brushes. I like the look of these because they're like, you know, the ones that everyone thought were spoons. Yeah, and it's got a silicone sponge and another beauty blender there, which is marble affected, and also comes with a solid brush cleaner. That sounds pretty good to me. So, don't quite remember ordering this, but hey ho, it's here! Okay, so on to the next product here. We have the rather large eyeshadow palette. This is probably the biggest palette I've ever seen in my life. It is humongous. To be precise, it's 196 shades. So we have all colours of the rainbow, lots of blues, some pinks and purples, some reds, some yellows, and some darker naturally colours at the top here. So this looks amazing. I wanted to get this because it seems like a really versatile product, which you can create a lot of different funky looks with, especially now that I'm getting a bit more into the eyeshadow world. I wanted to be able to create some funky looks with some funky colours here. So all these blues look gorgeous. So I'm definitely gonna have to like play around with this and like create some fun looks for you guys. So next up, we actually have the Ultimate Essentials kit, which is again really big. We have lots of different products in here. We have a highlighter, we have the powder, let me think, the powder, contour, highlight and blush, some brushes here. This is an eyeshadow primer, we have an eyeshadow palette here, this is for your brows, and this is a lip kit. Well, a lipstick, kind of, not lipstick, but a lip palette. I believe I got that all right. Yeah, so Duo Baked Highlighter is that top one. Yeah, it looks super cool. The eyeshadow palette looks really nice. And it's just the Essentials palettes. So I thought, do you know what, let's give it a go. See if we can maybe even try and create a look just using this. Future video ideas, you've got to have, you know, the life planned out. Oh goodness, and on to the finale product. I'm super excited for this one because it is the Revolution Advent Calendar. I literally died at this. There is obviously makeup products in every single door, so that is 24 products. I got this for £25. It usually retails for about 50, I believe, or something around there maybe. I cannot remember for the life of me. I got it for £25. Well, it was on sale. So we will be doing a full review on this product, so I don't want to, you know, go too much into detail on this. But we'll be essentially unboxing this and taking a little looky, whoops, into every single door on this so that you guys can see if this is going to be worth it for you guys. Okie dokie there, you guys. So I think that is just about everything for today's video. I will be linking all of the products that I purchased down below. I did just quickly now have a little bit of a look through the booklet of things that I ordered, and indeed I did not order the marble set, but thank you Revolution for sending that, I guess. I don't know whether that was completely by mistake or if I generally have no idea, but thank you either way. It was a very nice surprise. Did not expect to be surprised in a haul where I purchased gifts for myself, obviously. So yeah, if you did enjoy this, let me know, and if you want to see some full reviews of some of these products or see some of these products being used, make sure that you are subscribing to the channel because they will be coming, and let me know down below what you would like to see next on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches.